Hey everybody! So for the past couple of videos I've been hinting that I've got some interesting things coming up for Nikon users. And well, this is it. So what I want to do is create a video series that will run either weekly or every 2 weeks, depending on how much time I have and how many questions you guys ask. And what this series is going to be is a Q&A. Now those of you that have been following me since the start and know me personally, or you've been on one of the courses that I teach, you'll know that I'm pretty good at answering Nikon related questions. So that is what I do day in, day out. And I want to kind of be able to bring that to you, but I need you guys to ask me the questions. So I have this episode, which is the introduction. And what I want you guys to do is comment below with Nikon related questions. This could be Nikon camera bodies, Nikon lenses, Nikon accessories. Could also be third-party related stuff, so the best L bracket, best tripod, best camera bag that I've used, best filters that I've used. I want you to put all those questions in the comments below. And what I will then do is I'll take those comments and I will answer them in the video that will then follow in either a week or 2 weeks' time. And then that will be a continual rolling series of videos. And it will then work on a roll-in system where each week you put in new comments on the new video, and then the next week answer them again, and so on, and so on, and so on, until we answer every Nikon question there ever is, and ever will be. And I want to create kind of a community around kind of Nikon-related kit and Nikon-related questions, and being able to answer them in a video properly, not answering them just in a kind of a short comment section. I want to be able to maybe give examples to some questions, or some of them might be really technical. So we give examples and then references and maybe some external source information. And eventually what I really want to do is invite special guests. So the week prior, I will then give an announcement and say, next week we are going to have such and such as a special guest. So leave your questions below for this guest. I will then sit down with them the following week and ask them your questions on video, and they will then answer your questions there, and then you'll be able to watch that. But I need your help. Now, obviously all of my videos up until now have only been Nikon Z series related. So I need your help in sharing this video with Nikon users of every camera body, every Nikon lens you can think of. Everything from D200s to D3s, D300s, D500s, D700s, D750, the 800 series, 850s, 800s. Share it with all of your photography-related Nikon friends, Facebook groups, websites, you name it, share it. We can get as many Nikon questions as possible, and I will then go through and answer those questions in the following videos in the series. And each week, you can then ask new questions in the comment section, and I'll then answer them the next week following. Nikon users far and wide ask me questions, and then I can then put them into a video and they're being answered properly in a video rather than in a reply in a comment section. I want to be able to just have a collective of knowledge, things that people can refer back to weeks and weeks and weeks, but after the video has been released to YouTube. To me, I think this sounds like a really good idea and a really great way of just bringing together lots of people who shoot Nikon cameras and use Nikon cameras, Nikon lenses, and are into photography. And I also think it's just a great way to build a community and share information. It's just focusing on just Nikon cameras, Nikon settings, Nikon lenses, and every single type of photography you can think of. Wildlife, landscape, portrait, astrophotography, macro photography, dog photography. Thank you so much. I hope that you guys are as excited about this as I am. I think it's a pretty cool idea. I think it's going to go really far and we should get a lot of involvement, but I can't sit there answering my own questions. I need you guys to come up with Nikon questions, difficulties, things that you've had with your cameras that you want answering, or how do you do this, or how do you do that, or how do you do this type of photography. So, as always, if you have any questions, please pop them below. Thank you guys so much. Please do subscribe so that you don't miss the following videos with all the answers to everybody's questions in, and I will see you very soon.